Hi friends, welcome to SuperSmart Sudar. Today we are going to see the facts and science of Navaratri festival. I'm sure you will definitely get benefited after watching this video. So please stay calm and watch till the end. Come, let's go. We are living in a wonderful country which is also rich in the land of festivals. Yeah, Navratri. It is a Hindu festival which is celebrated across India and other parts of the world. The literal meaning of Navratri is 9 nights. These 9 days are solely dedicated to goddess Durga and her 9 avatars, that is the Navadurga. Each day is associated to an incarnation of the goddess. We are celebrating the feminine power in the world. This festival is observed for different reasons and celebrated differently in various parts of the Indian culture. Theoretically, there are 4 seasonal Navratri. However, in practice, it is the post-monsoon autumn festival called a Sharada Navratri that is the most observed in the honor of the divine feminine Devi Durga. Do you wonder why we are celebrating the feminine power? And do you think why the mother is power? Yeah, now I'll tell you the reason, that is the scientific reason hidden in that. Why our mother is so power? We receive 50% nuclear DNA from the mother and 50% from our father. But we receive 100% mitochondrial DNA from mother. Mitochondrial DNA is the small circular chromosome found inside the mitochondria. These organelles found in the cells have often been called the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria and thus the mitochondrial DNA are passed almost exclusively from mother to offspring through the egg cell. So, the mitochondria produce ATP. ATP is the energy currency of the biological system. For everything we do, we require ATP. ATP is the source of energy for doing all the activities. It means we receive power, that is the energy from mother. So, mothers have received from their respective mothers and so on. So, the god of power is mother. That is the reason energy is always called the mother, such as Ma Adi Shakti or Ma Durga, as we are celebrating the women's Shakti during this Navaratri. Hope I have taken you through your old school memories, that is the biology class. Yeah, energy, it doesn't mean simply. According to the science, in order to function properly, human beings require 4 types of energy: the physical energy, mental energy, emotional energy, and spiritual energy. So that is the reason to trigger these energies, we are celebrating Navratri by keeping fasting and recreating ourselves. This is why, do you realize in the Hinduism that why the mother power is the god power? Yeah, that's what we are celebrating, Adi Shakti or Ma Shakti. How perfect is our understanding since ages and ages? Yeah, this is one of the reasons. Actually, the Navaratri is celebrated at the junction of seasonal changes, that is, one at the beginning of the summer and other at the beginning of the winter. At these seasonal junctures, Mother Nature undergoes a major change. Changes of seasons in a year is directly connected to both the equinoxes and the solstices. Literal meaning of equinox is equal night, that is, equal day and equal night. This quater northern hemisphere of the planet becomes gentle because it receives least amount of sunlight from now on, that is from October to November. And after October November, days get shorter and nights will become longer. Navaratri is the period when our biological cycles, that is our sleeping and waking cycle, go through changes and reconcile. So let's acknowledge the changes, and it is also the period to connect the individual consciousness with the divine. Now you could have better understood the reason that why we are celebrating the Navratri at night. Just to give a biological twist to our biological cycle, that is the sleep and wake cycle, so that it acts as a detoxifying agent. As I already told, due to the seasonal change, our immunity debilitates. There is also evidence that exposure to cold temperatures suppresses the immune system. Seasons also affect our immune cells and the composition of our blood and fat, according to the study. During these 9 days, people do intermittent fasting, that is upavasam. They consume sattvic food. Sattvic foods are thought to be pure and balanced, offering feelings of calmness. They also give rest to the digestive system and helps in detoxification. Yeah, you have heard it right. The scientific reason behind fasting during Navratri is to detoxify your body. By eating light for a week or maybe once in a week, one is supposed to give digestive system a little rest. By observing fasting, that is by controlling our diet, we can control our temptations and we can get rid of 10 evils of our life like anger, greed, attachment, ego, fear, jealousy, inertia, hate and guilty. And this will help us increase our willpower. People used to dance during Navratri. You might have wondered why we are dancing and what is the relation between science and dance here, like that you might have wondered. So I will tell you the reason. Actually, dancing relieves stress and helps you sleep better as your body is tired and improves your mood too. It also is a kind of mental exercise since physical activity of any kind is known to protect people from the risk of dementia. Yeah, here they will dance. The dance is specifically called as Garba dance. And Garba is a dance that honors, worships and celebrates the feminine form of divinity. The word Garba comes from the Sanskrit word Garba, meaning the womb. Traditionally, the dance is performed by the women in a circle around a clay lantern with a light inside, called the Garbadip, that is the womb lamp. The dance symbolizes the god represented in the feminine form in the case, is the only thing that remains unchanging in a constantly changing universe. Have you recognized the concept of Gulu? Yeah, Gulu, you have heard it right. Bommai Kulu is a display of figurines set up during the festival of Navratri in the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It also has a significant connection with the agricultural and handicrafts professionals in India. Besides the economic aspect of the festival, it is the important occasion of socializing. So during this season, relatives and friends in the South India make it a point to visit each other's homes. This is also a very important occasion that promotes creative expression for women and for the family to work together on an aesthetic aspect. This Gulu is a mode of telling ancient stories such as Ramayana or Bhagavad Gita, or it could simply depict the evolution of life from animals to the sages and seas to the generation. Overall, Gulu is the display of the entire energy, that is the Shakti, forms in the cosmic universe using the dolls and figurines arranged in odd, that is usually 3, 5, 7 or 9 numbered tiers, that is the steps, during the Navratri festival celebrations. Gulu not only signifies the importance scientifically and traditionally, but in today's generation, children take an active participation in the Gulu because that gives them the opportunity to display their creative talents. They make miniature parks, zoos, houses, cities, any forms and use their creativity in the Gulu. Every evening, children and adults sing traditional Vedic songs and chant mantras which will increase their concentration. So it is a period of fun along with the healthy dishes like legumes are sprouted and cooked and offered to everyone as a prasad to increase the immune power during this seasonal change. And health awareness is also imparted in Navratri. In summary, Navratri Kulu is a universal learning and display of science and arts along with the spirituality. According to Vedic tradition, every object is worshipped, that is acknowledged as the manifestation of the pure consciousness. This is why all objects of action is worshipped in Navratri. No object is spared in this ritual. All the objects are adorned with a tilak as a mark of awareness of the pure consciousness during Ayudha Puja. So friends, I hope now you will have clearly understood the concept of Navratri and the scientific relations in it. Not only Navratri, every Hindu festival has a core scientific concept hidden in it, and it is the duty of us to identify the hidden concept set by our forefathers, and it is our duty to pass it to our future generations. As I promised you in the beginning of this video, now you would have got a better and clear-cut idea about the Navratri science and facts. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye.